Hoover STEAMJET Handy Cleaner will help you deep clean everywhere. You can steam clean your whole kitchen, bathroom, windows and more without using any harsh chemicals. It works by converting water into hot, pressurized steam, so it can blast away even the most stubborn grease, mould and stains without leaving behind any toxic residue. The high temperature of the steam is perfect for sanitizing surfaces, as it removes up to 99% of bacteria, and it comes with a hose and a range of accessories to help you make your home sparkle again. There's the deep cleaning conical pipe, which gives you a more powerful and concentrated burst of steam to loosen and blast away ground-in dirt. Or there's the refresh conical pipe, which gives you a longer steam for cleaning delicate surfaces. You can even choose between a wet and dry steam, with wet steam being great for those heavy duty deep cleaning jobs, while dry steam lets you sanitize and refresh fabrics without completely soaking them. So, if you need a cleaner that can tackle big jobs and small, Hoover STEAMJET Handy is the perfect choice.